Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a demo account on FxPro. So first of all, you need to log in into your FxPro account if you haven't already, and you need to get access to your dashboard. Now over here inside the wallet and the accounts section, you will be shown all of the accounts that you have, whether it is a real account or a demo account. So in order to create a demo account, simply select the option of demo, then select the option of create account. Over here, you just have to simply select this default option, which is FX Pro Row plus Demo, in which you are going to see the information about the spreads, the commissions, the leverage, and the margins. So you need to simply select it. Then you can make changes into the platform settings. So I personally like to use MT5, but if you like to use CTrader or MT4, you can also choose these options from the given list. Then simply hit apply button. Then simply press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here on the demo account settings page, you can also make changes into various types of settings. Like you can change the leverage, you can change the account's currency, you can also change the initial balance, you can also select the execution method, and then simply select the option of create demo account. Now as soon as you do this, your demo account will be created and it is going to look something like this. So that's how you can basically create a demo account on FxPro. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.